Today, we are breaking down one of the biggest costs you will see when you fly. We are talking about baggage fees for major U.S. airlines. Checked bag fees are now a normal part of air travel. Most major airlines charge to check your luggage. Knowing these fees ahead of time can help you plan your trip and avoid surprises at the airport. On most flights, the first checked bag will cost around $35 to $40. If you want to know your exact fee, visit the airline's baggage calculator when you book your flight. Delta also charges about $35 for the first checked bag on many domestic flights. Expect around $35 to $40 for your first checked bag. Fees are similar if you pay online or at the airport, although online prepayment can save a few dollars. Southwest now charges for checked luggage. Their fee starts at about $35 for the first bag and about $45 for the second bag. This marks a change from their old policy that allowed 2 free checked bags. JetBlue's checked bag fee usually starts at roughly $35 to $40, but prices will vary depending on travel dates. Holiday weekends and peak travel times can cost more. Frontier is a low-cost carrier, and their fees vary more than most. Your bag fee will depend on the type of ticket you purchase and which dates you fly. Most airlines allow 1 carry-on bag and 1 personal item included with your ticket. If your bag weighs more than the airline limits or is oversized, you will face additional charges. These extra fees can be much higher than standard bag costs. Packing smart and only taking a carry-on can help you save money. If you do need to check bags, checking them online before you get to the airport often costs less than paying at the counter. Airline baggage fees have become part of the normal travel experience. By planning ahead and knowing what to expect, you can keep your travel budget under control.